Several years ago, ISRI began working with Jason Learning to develop and promote a K-12 school curriculum about recycling. This partnership has presented ISRI and the recycling industry with a unique opportunity to not only spread the message about recycling, but also to encourage our youth and to inspire students to think about careers in the recycling industry, and also to provide them with the technological and scientific background that such jobs require. This curriculum is now accessible to more than 3 million students and teachers worldwide. Part of this curriculum outreach has included a video and poster contest. In 4 of the past 5 years, ISRI has awarded the winners of these contests at our convention, and I'm proud to say that we can do that again today. To learn more about Jason Learning and this year's winners, please welcome ISRI's Youth Outreach Committee Chairman and Pacific Northwest Chapter President, Peter Van Houten. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you.
Sure, of course.
Good morning. My name is Peter Van Houten. I have the pleasure of being the chairman of the ISRI Youth Outreach Committee. In 2011, ISRI began a partnership with Jason Learning to create a national awareness campaign focused on helping educators and students understand the importance of the recycling industry and the science, technology, engineering, and math knowledge and skills associated with our industry. This program has grown substantially, where in 2018, over 90 workshops were presented to superintendents of districts and educators using the recycling curriculum. This partnership and curriculum has changed the thinking of teachers across our nation, enforcing the concept that recycling is a science and is about restructuring and rebuilding, not just saving materials from ending up in a landfill. In 2014, ISRI initiated the annual poster and video contest to enforce the principles behind the curriculum. And this year, our theme was Recycle to Rebuild, challenging students to create a poster or video that addresses how we could use recycled material to improve and rebuild our infrastructure. This year, we had 54 posters and 17 videos submitted, and I want to thank the Youth Outreach Committee for their participation in selecting this year's winner.
We saw a video about plastic roads and it inspired us.
Plastic roads are being used in India and we've decided to bring the idea here. This is how we can make it happen.
First, everybody needs to recycle more plastic.
The plastic will be taken to a recycling plant and be sorted through.
The plastic will be cut through by a plastic shredder. The cut plastic will be dropped into molds, making the shape of a hollow rectangular prism.
The piles will be pressed into roads.
On the side of the road, small holes will be cut.
The road pieces will be shipped to wherever plastic roads are needed.
The pieces will be put into place. The holes will face the soil on the sides of roads. The roads have little holes due to the shreds of plastic on top.
The water on the surface of the road will slowly get through the top and slowly flow through the holes into the soil next to the road.
Water moving slowly into the ground is better because there's no way it can cause floods. When water quickly splashes to the side of the road, it can cause floods. Water splashing can also cause erosion, so plastic roads prevent erosion.
Once the roads get worn down, we can shred it again and reuse the material. That is great for the environment. We hope you choose plastic.
The road of the future.
Thank you.
It is my pleasure to welcome Sean Smith, the Chief Operating Officer of Jason Learning, and this year's creators and winners of the year's video contest, Asher Hardis and Nimisha Kaslawal. Asher and Nimisha are fourth graders at the Hilltop Elementary School in Beechwood, Ohio. Their teacher, Narissa Darvin, uses the ISRI Jason Learning curriculum as part of their STEM program and encourage them to participate in this contest. Please join me in congratulating again Asher and Nimisha on a job well done.
We would like to thank our families and our teacher, Miss Narissa Darvin.
We'd also like to thank Peter Van Houten, Natasha Grant, Sean Smith, and organizations Jason Learning and ISRI for giving us this amazing opportunity.
Thanks and congratulations to our winners. If you're not working with your local schools to provide the scrap recycling curriculum, I encourage you to start. Find out more at ISRI's booth or at the ISRI website.